Hi you guys. Okay, so I have had so many problems with my hair, with summer hair. I've had really big frizzy hair and just really not knowing what to do with it. Talking to my stylist, just trying to figure out different products that might work that would help it just be a little calmer. It's just been very frizzy up here. These curls are ones that I put in with my curling iron, but it was just, and I really didn't like it. So I was looking around and I was on Amazon and I tried this product, just make sure I got it the right way for you. And it's a 3-step program. It comes with step 1, step 2, and step 3. So step 1 is the shampoo. The step 2 is the Brazilian smoothing treatment. And step 3 is the mask. And it's awesome. It's just made my hair so much healthier. I love it. It's just way calmer. It feels healthier. It feels smoother. It feels awesome. So if you're having problems with summer hair or beach hair or pool hair, anything where it's just really dry and needs some love and attention, I suggest checking this out on Amazon. It's an awesome product and will make your hair feel so much better again.